Okay, so let's see what improvements have been made to the 3D box editor. We have now added bevel, which is rather interesting. So we can now bevel corners. The bevel's a fixed bevel at the moment. I've not done the user interface, so it's set up so as it's like a fixed, how much it bevels, how many faces are in the bevel. So we've got bevel been added, which was complicated. The actual bevel part wasn't, but closing the loop on the top here, so as this top panel was joined up. Otherwise, when the first time I did it, there was a hole along the top here. The topology didn't come through to the top of that. The other thing I've been working on is material editor. We can now add materials to an individual face. So we do that, say, as red. Get that up there like that. Have a red face. Select this one. We could add another new material. Oh, something interesting like blue. I like to keep things simple. So blue, and the top face is the default colour, which is white. What we can do now is we can add a modifier to that. Let's do an inset on that. Now obviously the inset on this won't be quite the same as when it's on a flat without bevels, because obviously this is got the corners on it, so that does make it slightly, as you can see, it's set slightly back. What we can do, of course, though, is we turn that like that. We could press X. Ooh, if we move the mouse in the right direction, we could recenter that like that. Let's inset that again with a tiny little one there, and let's put that down inside a little bit. Let's inset this one. This is really just sort of showing that what can be done to. Let's didn't need to unselect that. X that one. Just inset that a tiny bit, like so. We could have. Let's select these corners. Let's have a new material. We'll have this one as yellow. Change that to there sort of somewhere. And then we can have yellow. We need to do something about lighting. Lighting's the next thing, because we do get some awfully harsh shadows in here. We could do something like this if we wanted to. You get the picture sort of thing. It's starting to, well, I think it's starting to become quite, and it's quite an easy thing to do as well. I mean, it's not let's go blue, yellow. This is just to show that the how sort of easy it is to actually add colours to this thing and make it look and I think it's starting to get, and I'm really pleased that you can do these modifiers and the topology doesn't fall apart and you end up with holes everywhere. We could, if we wanted to, we can go in here, take the default texture off, just makes it look a little bit, I don't know, I think that's starting to, it's starting to come together quite good. The next thing I'm going to do, which is, I've literally just started it, I want to be able to put an image in a panel, so we could have like the colours that we've got there selected as, so this is all done on a material slot, so each material is then assigned to the face. So the next thing I want to be able to do is assign a texture, a picture basically, an image to this face. So you know, if it was a computer screen or something, you could assign a, you know, a picture of a computer screen to it. I just think it'd make it, I can't believe how far I've got with this and actually made this work, that I'm really enjoying it. Anyhow, enough waffling. Thanks for watching if you did.